Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, any which part of the world, you know, there. As me there with the box of Clementine, you know. It hit me down a memory lane, you know. Yes, man. Me remember back in the day when me used to go up bush with me granny, me Selva. And there was a Stangerine top side where she work one Stangerine tree. And that the tree, they always loaded with Stangerine. Back in the day, if you're hungry, you know, you dare not say you're hungry. Got too much things there, bushman, for your name. Whether you go pick grapefruit off a tree, go pick orange, go broccoli, whatever. But that the Tangerine tree was my favorite. As short as me be, I used to take stick and jump and beat them the Tangerine there off a tree, you know. Or me would have take stone and show and lick off Tangerine off a tree. Sometimes me would have even climb it too. Yes, man. May I tell you, then there was memories, you know, my people. Drop a line below, because if you grow up a country, you must have some of them your memories here where you go bush and a climb tree or use stone or use stick and lick off Tangerine or when any other fruit off a tree. But let me tell you, people, looking back, them there was real sweet memories, you know, man. Yes, man. And them the time they are real organic something, you know. Yes, man. No additives, no preservative, are the real thing you pick off of the tree and yam. My people, drop a line, man, and make me hear for no memories. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day. Sweet.